Good day, everyone. Today, we will present our project titled Air for Life, a simple pneumatic fish oxygen system. So in this activity, we were tasked to create our own pneumatic machine using simple household materials. Our goal was to design a system that can supply oxygen to fish by using air pressure. Pneumatics is the study and use of pressurized air to make things move or work. Our project, we used the air created by a manual pump. This air travels through the tubing and is released underwater through an air stone, producing bubbles. These bubbles increase the oxygen level in the water, helping fish breathe, just like in a real aquarium aerator. We first constructed a stable stand using popsicle sticks. We glued the sticks together to form a simple frame that can support the tubes and keep everything in place inside the basin. The balloon acts as an air chamber or mini reservoir. Next, we connected the other end of the tubing to the manual air pump. We made sure the connection was tight and free from leaks by using Teflon tape. We arranged shells, small rocks, and plastic plants at the bottom of the basin to simulate a small aquarium. We placed the stand in the middle, set the air stone underwater, and made sure the tube stayed in position. As we press the manual pump, air travels through the tubing and fills the balloon. The balloon then pushes the air down to the air stone. As you can see, small bubbles rise to the surface. This is oxygen being released into the water. These bubbles help fish breathe by increasing the amount of dissolved oxygen in their environment. This simple activity shows how pneumatic pressure can be used in everyday life. Aquariums, fish tanks, water filters, and even hospital ventilators use similar principles. With simple materials, we can create something that provides life and comfort for underwater organisms. In conclusion, our project, Air for Life, a simple pneumatic fish oxygen system, demonstrates how air pressure can be used to create oxygen flow in water. It is an expensive, functional, and a great example of how pneumatics can help living organisms.